Welcome to Wee Woolly Wonderfuls. Today we're going to show you how to do the chains, chest chains for Ned the Nutcracker. So first we're going to chain 10 and then we're going to add knots to each end. We're going to leave a short strand around 15 centimetres at each end, and that's for sewing on. Let's get started. So we are going to chain 10, so let's make a slip knot. Don't forget to leave a little bit of the strand. So pop your slip knot in and we will chain 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then what we are going to do is cut that and leave a similar strand. Pop the end through to secure it. So that is our chest chain. And now all we're going to do is make a circle, put it through, so just like you're making a knot, and then we're going to try and get those right on the end of here. So it might take a little bit of fiddling. We're going to do 2 or 3. This just makes it look like a button at the end of the chain. Oops, we've got 2 there. So you can do as many as you're happy with. Just try and engineer so they go right on the ends. 3. Oh, that looks quite a good knot. So we're going to do the other end. So again, we're going to just do 3 knots. Probably do them similar at each end to make them the same. So I'm going to push that along. So it's kind of right on the end of the chain. And we're just going to do another knot. Ooh, that's going a bit too far that way. Let's push it along. Go. If you've got 2 next to each other like that, quite often just add in another 1 or 2. You can get them all to go together, so don't worry too much. So there we go. Look at that, we'll push that on top. So there we are, look at that. So now that looks like you've got a nice little button or bobble at the end. And then what we're going to do next is we will thread the end onto the needle, and then we will sew that onto Ned's front of his chest like that, and we're going to have it so the back of the chain is facing forward, and then we'll do the same with the other end. So as you can see, we will then have the 3 chest chains fastened to his top. As simple as that. Thanks for joining us, and we hope that was really helpful.